Yeah. Thank you.
The Honourable Dr. Peter Sharples.
Tēnā koe, Mr. Speaker, tēnei au e tautoko ana ngā kōrero, ko kōrero hia e aku hoa mema o whare matanai I tēnei rangi. Nā reira, mā koe e mihi atu ki ngā iwi, ki ngā rōpū, ki ngā tāngata katoa e āwhina, e kahana ki te tautoko ki te āwhina I a rātau I tēnei parekura I o tautahi. Katoa mai, ahakoa he mema kāwana, rātau kaimahi, ngā mema kaunihera, me ngā kaimahi, ngā apiha, ngā rōpū katoa. Ngā rōpū tauira wānanga, ngā tāngata kaipāmu, ngā hoia, ngā wātene, ngā tākuta, ngā naihe, ngā tangata katoa I tai atu ki reira, I whakawāte ana, kia tai atu ki reira ki te tautoko, ki te āwhina I ngā tangata I tēnei wā pauri mō rātau I o tautahi. Nā reira e tikana kia tuku atu mihi ki a rātou katoa. Me ngā whānau ngā rōpū Aotearoa nei whānui I tuku pūtea, I tuku tautoko, I whāngai ngā mea ko puta mai I o tautahi ki ngā marae, ki ngā taone, ko wai rātau, ko hukina a rātau kuwaha, kia manaki hea e nei tangata e pirangi I tēnei wā ki te haere ake mai o tautahi ki te tahi atu wāhi. Nā reira e tikana kia mihi atu ki a rātau katoa e mahi ana I reira. Kai te tangi tonu ki a rātau ngā tini aitua rātau kua mate ana I tērā parekura. E kore e mutu ngā kōrero, ngā tangi, ngā roimata, ngā hupe mō rātau. Nā reira koutou ngā mate haere oki pai mai. I te mōhio, kai te tangi te mutu, ki a koutou I tēnei wā. Nā reira haere atura. Ngā mea, ngā whānau pani, anei rā mātou, ka tangi koutou, ka tangi mātou. Katoa mai anei rā mātou e tautoko ania koutou I tēnei wā pauri, I tēnei taima, ka mohio koutou ki te koi o tēnei me te mate. Nā reira, tēnei mātou e mihi atu, e tautoko ana I a koutou I tēnei wā. Mr. Speaker, we mourn with the families of all tautahi and throughout New Zealand who have lost loved ones in this tragedy in Christchurch or Tautahi. And we particularly farewell their loved ones and want to leave the message with the people, those families, that as you are mourned and are orphaned, so are we, New Zealand, and we share our tears and our mucus with you at this time, which is a sad time for you. I congratulate everybody involved down there and everybody involved outside of Otautahi. Whether it is all those armies we talk about, the students, the farmers, the real army, the policemen, the officials, the NGOs, the workers, everybody that's down there working, we're so proud of you. I acknowledge also how the cities have received and the towns have received people, have opened their doors up, their schools and the like, to take in people, hopefully a short-time break for them, but whatever they desire, whether it is to be a long-term or short-term. To the millions of New Zealanders who are fundraising to save money, who are hosting people, who are crying with them, we just thank you for your support. You are showing the special character of New Zealand at this time. I'd like to acknowledge those overseas rescue teams. We won't forget you people, that you've come over here like this immediately, and teams to help us in our time of crisis. People like, and also local, who have given a mammoth effort down there. I am pleased as Minister for Māori Issues to report that on day 2, Māori gathered at a marae at Rehua and set up a hub from which they could distribute service, organise information and so on. And that is a time when they knew not of the extent of the damage, liquefaction, and so on. So now the marae of Otahi, all of them are available and are centres for help and for overnight stays in some cases, and they are the hub of Māori activity. We're very pleased with the tribes in New Zealand who are fundraising, a radiothon, 65,000, fishing, 100,000, and people just coming to the party because they know this is a whole of New Zealand effort. And I convened 3 or 4 iwi hui, and iwi were so glad to be able to contribute. Doctors, nurses have been sent down here to work. It is a great effort on behalf of I'd like to congratulate Ngai Tahu. I believe they have come to the party really strong, and we've committed a lot of our TPK resources and our leaders of the organisation down there, working hand in hand, and they've set up a base, a hub together so that they can work together. And this has got to be a good thing for Christchurch whānui. To the wardens, many of these people have damaged homes themselves, are quite poor, chug along in their cars, which I'm not sure about their registration, but they get there and go and do some liquefaction movement or something like that. So this is a great thing. But I'd just like to say this finally. Despite the thousands of tons of liquefaction, the physical destruction of the central CBD, the 10,000 homes that have to be destroyed, the 100,000 homes that need repair, and despite no power, no water, and no wharepaku, no toilets for many, no communication for others, this is of our relations and friends in the church. Under the table, that they do upstairs, others sleeping fully dressed with their shoes on, and so on. This is the effect of this tragedy, and I know, though, that the support and care and love from all New Zealanders that they will share with the people of Ōtautahi, that we will move on beyond that and build a new strong city. Mr. Speaker, tēnā koe.
The Honourable Jim Anderson.
Speaker,